Of the body we learned to describe is the hair. So you can have long hair. That means that your hair reaches a very long point. You can have short hair. It means your hair does not extend very far. You can have straight hair, which means your hair is in a line-like shape. And you can have curly hair, which means that it's coiled and scrunchy. You can have wavy hair, which is in between curly hair and straight hair. And yeah. Now, in terms of the colors of your hair, those are fairly straightforward. When you have someone with black hair, you say you have black hair. If they have brown hair, you say they have brown hair. If they have pink hair, you say they have pink hair. But the only difference, the only exception, is if they have yellow hair. You don't say they have yellow hair. You don't say that they have golden hair. You call their hair blonde. Okay. If somebody does not have hair on top of their head, we call them bald. Now, moving on to describing eyes. We can describe the size of somebody's eyes. We can say that they have big eyes or that they have small eyes. We can also describe the color. So people can have blue eyes, they can have brown eyes, gray eyes, green eyes. Then we also can describe noses. So we only characterize the shape of the nose. Some people have big noses, some people have crooked noses, some people have straight noses, some people have small noses. We can also describe ears by their shape. So some people have large ears or big ears, and some people have tiny ears or small ears. We can describe the mouth similarly. Some people have large mouths, and some people have small mouths. Now, face shape is a little trickier. Some people have round faces. That means their face is in the rough shape of a circle. Some people have oval faces. That means their face is in the shape of an oval or an elongated circle, a stretched circle. Some people have square faces. That means that their jaws are very straight and have 90-degree angles almost. Some people also have heart-shaped faces. So the bottom of their face is narrow and the top is wider. There's many different face shapes. Moving on to height, we can call somebody tall if they are at a higher elevation than everybody else. So this man on the left is tall. We can call somebody short if they're at a lower elevation than everyone else. So this man on the right is short. An average height person is somebody who is in between short and tall. Okay, so let's describe body shape. Somebody who is fat is somebody who has extra weight or extra mass and is heavier. It's fairly impolite to go around calling people fat, so if you want to be more polite and you have to say this, use the word overweight instead. We can also describe people as slim, which means fit and healthy looking. People can also be thin. Thin means skinny, narrow, small in width. Thin and skinny mean the exact same thing. Finally, when we're describing general appearance, we can call somebody beautiful. We normally call woman beautiful. We can also call woman pretty, which is like a more delicate form of beautiful. We also often call men handsome. Now, sometimes if a woman has more male masculine features, we might call them handsome. And if a man has more delicate or female features, we might call them pretty. But for the most part, we associate pretty and beautiful with females and handsome with males. This is just in traditional English. This has been subject to change recently, but right now, that's how we classify. Young people who are very sweet looking, very innocent looking, childlike, adorable, we call them cute. We say they're very innocent, very sweet looking. Now, funny is an interesting adjective. It can be an insult or a compliment. If I say you look funny, I am saying you look weird. You look like a joke. It's not a compliment, it's quite rude. But if I say you are funny or he is funny, I'm saying his personality is humorous. He makes good jokes. He makes me laugh. So, is funny is a compliment, looks funny is an insult. If I call somebody ugly, I am insulting them. Don't call people ugly unless you have to. It's quite rude. It means you don't look good.